Hey, I'm Katie with WTI. My family is always joking that I can fall asleep anywhere. Well, my secret? Peace and quiet. It's hard to come by peace and quiet when you have teenagers at home, so I get a little help with these wax earplugs. They do not completely eliminate sound, so I can still hear if someone is in trouble, but they definitely quiet it down, making it easier for me to fall asleep because I love my nap time. This little case makes it so easy to take them with me anywhere. It easily fits into my pocket. One thing that I really love about these is that I have very sensitive ears, especially to wind. So these are really nice to put in and wear underneath my hat or my ear warmer. And it still allows me to hear. So if I'm going for a run, I can hear a car coming. It's just, again, a lot quieter. I love my peace and quiet. I love getting my naps in, and I would definitely recommend these. And that's my point of view.